Hello children, today I am going to teach you in English lesson number 1, Foolish Dog. See children, SEM 2 textbook, it is there in SEM 2 textbook, page number 5. Page number 5, The Foolish Dog, SEM 2 textbook. Okay children, what is foolish? Foolish means what? Unwise. Unwise means, okay, you don't know anything. Okay, and not showing good judgment. Okay, these are the this one we are calling like a foolish. Okay, foolish dog. You already know dog, right? Good. Okay, once there lived a dog. Once there lived a dog. His name was Kipper. Kipper. His name was Kipper. Okay, he was very greedy. He was very greedy. Greedy means what children? Someone who wants more and more. I want this, I want that, everything I want, like that. Very greedy. This Kipper, this dog was very greedy. Someone who wants more and more. Okay, like that. This dog also want everything it want. Okay. And one afternoon, Kipper was very hungry. Okay. One day, the Kipper was very hungry. Okay, hungry means you know, right? Good. He decided to go and look for something to eat. He decided to go outside and he look for something to eat. Okay, we will also do same like that. Yes or no children? Oh yeah, mama will prepare delicious food, but we don't like that food. We want outside food, right? So like that, the dog also want outside. He wanted to look for something to eat outside. Just outside his house there was a bridge. There was a bridge. You know bridge? Have you seen anywhere? Yes. It will connect one area to other, right? Like a wooden bridge, okay, cement bridge, okay, like that there will. I will go and look for food on the other side of the bridge. The Kipper was decided to go outside. I will go and look for food on the other side of the bridge. Okay, he thought like that. The food there is definitely better. He thought to himself. What he was thought? He thought the food is definitely very good outside. So I have to go there and there only I'll search food. Okay, he thought to himself. He walked across the wooden bridge. Okay, he walked across the wooden bridge and started sniffing around for food. Sniffing means what children? Smell. The dog will smell, right? Sniff sound, sniffing. Yes, sniffing around for food. Suddenly he spotted a bone lying at a distance. Suddenly he spotted a bone. Suddenly he saw a bone. Spotted means what? Found. Okay, he found a bone lying at a distance, along the short distance. Okay, one bone he found. Okay, I am in luck. Okay, this looks like a delicious bone, he said. What he said? It looked like very delicious. Delicious means what children? It is very tasty. It looked like very tasty. Like that he thought. Without wasting any time, Kipper picked up the bone and ran back toward his home. Okay, without wasting any time, Kipper immediately he picked up the bone and ran back towards his home. While crossing the wooden bridge, Kipper looked down into the river. Okay, where he saw children? Looked down in the river. Okay, there was a wooden bridge. Okay, oh yes. Looked down into the river. There he saw his own reflection. Okay, when you saw in water, the plain water, we will see our reflection only, right? So like that, the dog also saw his own reflection. Reflection means what? Mirror image. Okay, when we stand in front of the mirror, we will see our face only, right? So like that, the water, there Kipper mistook it for another dog. Okay, what he thought maybe another dog is there inside the water. There is another dog in the water with a bone in its mouth. He thought what he thought, children? There is another dog in the water with a bone in its mouth. But is there any dog? No. Only Kipper reflection only showing, right? Yes. How nice it would be to snatch that piece of bone as well. Okay. How nice it would be to snatch that piece of bone as well. Snatch means what, children? Take away. Okay, take away by force. Okay, like that. Then I will have two bones. Okay, immediately I'll snatch the bone. Then I'll have two bones, like that he decided. Then Kipper looked at his reflection and growled. Immediately it growled. Growl means what, children? A deep sound. A growl means what? A deep sound of anger. Okay, like that. Okay, the reflection growled back too. This made Kipper very angry. He looked down at his reflection and barked. Bark means it has to open his mouth, right? Yeah, woof woof. As he opened his mouth, like that, he barked. He opened his mouth. The bone in his mouth fell into the river. Immediately, the bone fell into the river. But there is no another dog in the river. But he thought there is another dog is there inside the water. It was only when the water splashed, Kipper realized his mistake. See, children, splash means what? Sound of the bone falling into the water, like a tap like sound it will come, no? Yes, that splash sound came. Kipper then he realized his mistake. There is no another dog. Mistake means realized means what, children? Understood. Okay, the Kipper understood there is no dog inside the water. Okay, he saw his own reflection. What he had seen was his own reflection and not another dog. But it was too late. Yes or no? But it was too late. He had lost the bone. He has lost the piece of bone because of his greedy. He already have one bone, right? He has to satisfy. Okay. Again, while crossing the bridge, again he saw his own reflection. Okay. He got angry. Okay. Then he barked from other this one, and afterwards the bone fell into the water because of his greedy. Okay, he has to satisfy his bone. Okay, now he had to remain hungry. Again he had to remain hungry. Okay, this lesson, children, you have to read this lesson. The Kipper was remaining hungry because one bone he got. Okay, because of greedy, he lost his bone. You should not be like that. Okay, you have to, whatever you have to satisfy. Whatever you have to eat. Whatever you have, the clothes you have to wear. Okay, I want this, I want that. They have so many, I don't have. You should not tell like that. Greedy means what? Someone who wants more and more, more and more. Parents will give you lot of this one, right? You have to satisfy, you have to thank the parents, okay? And you have to satisfy whatever you have, the playing things, clothes, food, whatever you have to be thankful to God and thank to my parents, and then you have to use. If others have so many, you don't want to ask, I want that, I want this. If you have brother, you have to share each other, then you have to play or you have to eat. I also want that. Brother, you don't give it to brother, you don't give it to sister, like that you should not tell. Okay, you have to share each other. You should not greedy. Okay, you should not want more and more of something. Okay, this is the lesson, children. I'll give you the textbook exercises now. Open your SEM 2 textbook, children, page number 5. The Foolish Dog, lesson number 1. The Foolish Dog. Once there lived a dog. His name was Kipper. He was very greedy. One afternoon, Kipper was very hungry. He decided to go and look for something to eat. Just outside his house, there was a bridge. I will go and look for food on the other side of the bridge. The food there is definitely better, he thought to himself. He walked across the wooden bridge and started sniffing around for food. Suddenly, he spotted a bone lying at a distance. Ah, I am in luck. This looks like a delicious bone, he said. Without wasting any time, Kipper picked up the bone and ran back towards his home. While crossing the wooden bridge, Kipper looked down into the river. There he saw his own reflection. Kipper mistook it for another dog. There is another dog in the water with a bone in its mouth. He thought, how nice it would be to snatch that piece of bone as well. Then I will have 2 bones. Kipper looked at his reflection and growled. The reflection growled back too. This made Kipper very angry. He looked down at his reflection and barked woof woof as he opened his mouth. The bone in his mouth fell into the river. It was only when the water splashed. Kipper realized his mistake. What he had seen was his own reflection and not another dog. But it was too late. He had lost the piece of bone because of his greed. Now he had to remain hungry. See, children, you have to read these meanings, word bank. Greedy, someone who wants more and more of something. Sniffing, smelling food. Spotted, found. Delicious, tasty. Reflection, mirror image. Snatch, take away by force. Growled, a deep sound of anger. Splashed, sound of the bone falling in the water. Realized, understood. Tick the correct option. The name of the dog was Kipper, Snipper, Rocky. What, children? Kipper. Kipper walked across the bridge made of iron, cement or wooden bridge. In the river, Kipper saw another dog, his reflection, or a snake, his reflection. One afternoon, Kipper was very happy, hungry, angry, very hungry. Kipper found a piece of bone, B-O-N-E, bone. Kipper saw his own dash in the water, reflection. Kipper dash at his reflection. Kipper looked at his reflection. When Kipper opened his mouth, the dash fell into the river. The bone fell into the river. Kipper remained hungry. Hungry. See children, here find one small word hidden in each of the following words. The first one has been done for you. CABBAGE. In this, one more word also there, bag. HAPPEN. In this, pen. PEN, pen. RUBBER. Rubber. RUB, rub. ELEPHANT, elephant. One more word, ANT, ant. SENTENCE, sentence. TEN, ten. MOTHER, mother. One more word, HER, her. Okay. See children, a dog is a pet animal. Circle the names of pet animals and birds given in the word maze. Look at the picture for help. See children, CAT, cat. Okay, parrot, PARROT, parrot. Parrot, done. Next, COW, cow. Cow, done. HEN, hen. Hen. Okay, next DOG, dog. Next HORSE, horse. HORSE, horse. Listen carefully as your teacher pronounces the following words. Chain, chair, chalk, chin, chair, chick, child, chip, chose. Okay children, this is the lesson. The foolish dog. You have to read this lesson and do the textbook exercises properly, neat handwriting and cursive handwriting, and I will send you this answer the following in ULO and mail. Thank you children.